We are at another sanding job today, a referral from Integrity Fence. And we'll be using a clear coat on this fence. We were actually doing their neighbor's house a couple of weeks ago. Just 2 lengths plus the front. They got an iron fence in the back. And the first thing we grab is the water hose, because the best part about this stain is it doesn't stick to brick as long as you rinse it off. So if there's any overspray, if there's any overspray, it comes right off. So I'm gonna throw this over so we're close to the spigot on this side. Now for me, whenever there's a single gate, typically start on the side without the gate so that I can get my walking around the house over with. All right, I'm about to start spraying, but I wanted to show you guys. So I've been using this rack, and I just bought a new tip here. The 1223 is what I do on the main panels, but I finally got a rack, a smaller pattern, 213, for doing some cut-ins and edging. So now as I'm walking around spraying, I'm gonna keep this in my little pouch and buckle it on my pants there so I can keep the process going smooth, stop having to walk back to the main home base here. All right, so here's the start of the clear coat. All right, we've got the final panels on this clear coat, and then we'll wrap up. That's a wrap.